Hey Kansas City, the temperatures are shifting and so is our housing market. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and here's our October market update plus the question of the month. Now, it's not uncommon in an election year to see a slowdown several weeks before the election and then the market pick back up again within a week or two after. But with interest rates increasing at the same time, it has brought a little pause to what some are considering if it's still the right time to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. And that's our number one question right now. Should we wait until the interest rates lower to purchase a home? So here's 3 things you may want to consider. First, if you purchase at our current interest rates, you can refinance if the rate drops within a couple years, as economists are currently projecting. You can consider locking in a rate for a fixed loan, working with a 3, 5, or 7-year ARM loan, or considering a buy-down loan right now for your loan options. But either way, there is flexibility within the current interest rates when you have the opportunity to refi in a couple years should they lower. Second of all, if you wait for the rates to lower, there will be more buyers looking to purchase at that same time. So you will have more competition, which will impact the price. Now, currently in Kansas City, there's a 17% increase in the number of homes for sale, going from 5,135 last October to 6,008 this October. So you can see how the increase in inventory is giving buyers more options. Third, with home values in Kansas City increasing 3 to 5% each year, waiting for rates could potentially cost you more. In fact, there has been a 10.9% increase in the average sale price this October compared to October 21 in the Kansas City area. Now, while considering these 3, purchasing a home still must match the need for affordability, which in each person's budget. Curious how our current interest rates and the Kansas City market match your goals? Let's crunch the numbers and see if it's time to move into a new Kansas City neighborhood that you're sure to enjoy.